Hello viewers, welcome to the lecture series of SSC Quantitative Aptitude, and this is your tutor Keshav Agarwal, and this is a lecture on exercise of fundamental arithmetic operation and BODMAS rule. So in this lecture, we will see 23 questions on fundamental arithmetic operation and BODMAS. So let us start with the very first question. So in this question, the expression is given to us and we have to simplify it. So expression is something like 1 upon 4 of 2 of 4 fifths times 1 of 2 thirds minus 3 of 1 half minus 2 of 1 sixth divided by 3 of 1 fifths divided by 4 of 1 half of 5 of 1 thirds. So what is the value of this expression? So here, let us first simplify these mixed fractions that are given here, because nobody likes mixed fractions. They are very scary. So we can write it as 4 upon 7 of 5 times 2, that is 10, plus 4, that will be 14. So 14 upon 5, and this 1 of 2 thirds will be 5 upon 3, and it will be 7 upon 2, 13 upon 6, and this will simplify to 16 upon 5, and this will simplify to 9 upon 2, and this will simplify to 16 upon 3. Now, we are going to solve this off part. Okay. So, on simplifying this, we will get 8 by 3, and on simplifying this one, taking LCM, we will get 21 minus 13 upon 6. And on simplifying this part, we will get 16 upon 5 divided by 24. Now, further simplification is more required. So, we leave 8 upon 3 as it is, and this will give you 8 upon 6. So, 16 upon 5 remains as it is, and let's write this divide by 24 in proper manner so that it can be easy for us to understand. It will be 16 upon 5 into 1 upon 24. Okay. So this can be further simplified to 4 upon 3 divided by 2 upon 15. And it can be rewritten as 4 upon 3 times 15 upon 2, which when simplified, so this goes here by 2, and 3 times 5 is 15. So we'll have 2 times 5 as 10. So the correct option here is option number C. Let us move ahead to question number 2. So in this question, we have to find 40 plus 3 upon 4 of 32 divided by 37 plus 3 upon 4 of 34 minus 6. So let us see the solution now. So the given expression can be written as 40 plus 24, okay, because 4 get cancelled, 4 cancels 32 by 7 times, okay, 8 times, okay, and this also cancels this one 7 times. Okay. So we can write it as 40 plus 24 upon 37 plus 21, which will be equal to 64 upon 58. And on the further writing, you can see in options, the options are mixed fraction. So we have to convert this into mixed fraction. So it will be 1 of 3 of 29ths. So the correct option here is option number D. Moving ahead to question number 3. 3 of 1 thirds divided by 2 of 1 half of 1 of 3 fives plus 3 upon 8 plus 1 upon 7 into 1 of 3 fourths. So what is the value of this expression? So we can write this expression as 3 of 1 third divided by 5 of 5 upon 2, because we have simplified the mixed fractions first, this one and this one. Okay, so in this step, we are removing the mixed fraction and writing in the proper fraction, okay, A upon B form. So now we will have, by further simplification, 2 upon 3 into 2 by 5 times 5 upon 8 plus 3 upon 8 plus 1 upon 4. And this can be simplified further because you can see this and this get cancelled. It goes 2 times, and this get cancelled. It is 4. Okay. So this can be further cancelled by 2. So you will have overall 5 upon 6. And 3 upon 8 remains as it is, and 1 upon 4 remains as it is. So now taking the LCM, it will be 24. So it is going to be 20 plus 9 plus 6, which is equal to 35 upon 24. So the correct option here is option number B. Now let us move to question number 4. So in this question, the expression that is given to us is 2 upon 3 divided by 3 upon 10 of 4 upon 9 minus 4 upon 5 times 1 of 1 nines divided by 8 upon 15 plus 3 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 2. So in this expression, we are going to first write all these mixed fractions in A and A upon B form, and also resolve this off. Okay, so that will be 2 upon 3 divided by 2 upon 15 minus 4 upon 5 times 10 upon 9 times 15 upon 8 plus 3 upon 4 times 2. So 2 upon 3 times 15 upon 2 minus 5 upon 3 plus 3 upon 2. So which when simplified will give you 29 upon 6. So correct option here in this question is option number B. Simplify the expression 25 minus 16 minus 14 minus 18 minus 8 plus 3 bar. So we can write 25 minus 16 minus 14 minus 18 minus 8 plus 3 bar equal to 25 minus 16 minus 11 minus 18 minus 11. So it will be 25 minus 9, which is equal to 16. The correct option here is option number D. So let us now move to question number 6. Find the value of 2.1 plus 2.5 divided by 63 minus 7.5 times 8 plus 13 minus 2.5 times 5. So this expression, let us first of all solve the brackets here. So we are going to resolve this bracket first. It will be 3.0.5, and on multiplying 7.5 into 8 we will get 60. And next, according to BODMAS rule, we are going to resolve this bracket first, which will be 60.5. And now resolve this bracket first. It will be 2.50. Since division sign like this does not look very beautiful, let's slide it properly in the upon form. We will have 2.1 plus 2.25 upon 2.50, and on simplifying we will have 2.1 plus 0.9, which is equal to 3. The correct option here is option number C. Find the value of 225 minus 42 minus 25 plus 18 minus 18 minus 13 bar. So we can solve it, and we will have 225 minus 42 minus 25 plus 18 minus 5. Okay. So 225 minus 42 minus 25 plus 13. So first of all, we are solving the brackets. That means from inside out. We are starting from inside and moving to outside. So it will be 225 minus 42 minus 38. That is equal to 225 minus 4, which is 221. So the correct option here is option number B. Find the value of 309 divided by 3 by 2 of 25 plus 35 minus 25 of 3/4. So this can be solved as, first of all, we are going to solve brackets. So we will resolve this bracket first and also remove this mixed fraction, write it proper fraction. So it will be 309 divided by 3 by 2 times of 60 minus 51 by 4. Now simplify this and it will be 30. 30 times 3 is 90. So now we are going to resolve this bracket first. It will be 360 minus 51 upon 4, and it will be 4 upon 309. So this thing is 309, 4 remains as it is, and it's actually divide sign. So we have to do the reciprocal here to get the multiplication sign. So it's 309 into 4 upon 309, and 309, 309 get cancelled. We will have 4. So the correct answer here is option number D. So moving ahead to problem number 9. So in this question, we have to evaluate 7 plus 7 times, so 7 plus 7 divided by 7 plus 7 divided by 7. So first of all, let us start with resolving brackets. So 7 divided by 7 will be 1. So this is also 1. Okay. And 7 plus 1 is 8. So 8 times 7 is 56. So we will have 7 plus 56, which will be equal to 63 plus 1. Okay. So it is 64. So the correct answer here is option number D. Moving to problem number 10. So in this question, we have a expression 2 times minus 0.3 times 1.3 plus 3.7 of 0.8. So what is the value of this expression? So it is equal to 2 times minus 0.3 times 5 times 0.8. So first of all, we have resolved this bracket inside bracket, which is equal to 5, and 0.3 remains as it is. And now you have to resolve this bracket, which is equal to minus 1.5. Rest of the things remains as it is. We don't touch them. Okay. So now 2 times minus 1.5 is minus 3. Now you can multiply minus 3 into 0.8, which is equal to minus 2.4. So the correct option here is option number D. Find the value of 2.8 plus 5.2 divided by 1.3 times 2 minus 6 times 3 divided by 8 plus 2. So again, we are first going to resolve the inside part, the bracket part. So it will be equal to 4 into 2. Okay. So further simplifying the divisions and multiplications, we will have 2.8 plus 8 minus 2.25 plus 2, which is equal to 10.55. So the correct option in this question is option number D. Let us now move to problem number 12. The value of 7.5 plus 5.4 divided by 5.4.5 into 2 minus 8 times of 4 divided by 3.2. So the value of 7.5, the 7.5 plus 5.4 divided by 4.5 into 2 minus 8 into 4 divided by 3.2. We are going to resolve the bracket first, this bracket, which is equal to 6 upon 5 times 2. And we can write it this thing as 8 upon 0.8. So on simplifying further, we will have 7.5 plus 2.4 minus 10, which is equal to minus 0.1. The correct answer here is option number B. Let us move forward with problem number 13. The smallest fraction which should be added to sum of 2 of 2 1/2, 3 of 1/3, 4 of 1/4, and 5 of 1/5 to make the result a whole number. So to make this a whole number, so 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5 must be a whole number. So the sum is equal to 30 plus 20 plus 15 plus 12 upon 60, which is equal to 77 upon 60. So it can be written as 1 plus 17 upon 60. So to make 17 upon 60 a whole number, we should add 43 upon 60. So when this is added, it will be a whole number. So the correct option here is option number D. Let us move to question number 14. Two fractions are such that their product is minus 4 and their sum is minus 32 by 15. Find the two fractions. So let let the fractions a and b. So we have assumed two fractions b, a and b, and it is given that their product is -4. So AB is equal to -4 and their sum is equal to -32 by 15. So A plus B will be -32 by 15. So and we assume it to be equation number 1. Now A plus B whole square is equal to A minus B whole square plus 4AB. So this is the equation that we are going to use here. So A plus B is already known to us, which is equal to -32 by 15 whole square, and A minus B is unknown, so we will leave it as it is, and AB is also known, which is equal to -4. So substitute it here, and at last you will have A minus B whole square equal to 1024 upon 225 plus 16. So this will be equal to A minus B equal to 68 upon 15. Now you have two equations, that is A plus B and A minus B. So using equation 1 and 2, you will have A equal to 18 upon 15, A equal to 6 upon 5. So B is equal to -10 upon 3. So the correct answer here is option number B. Let us move forward with question number 15. So 13 upon 48 is equal to. So according to the question, 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon plus 1 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4. So start simplifying from the bottom and go towards up. So it will be 2 times 4, that is 8, plus 1 upon 4, that will be 4 upon 9. And again simplify this, you will have 1 upon 3 plus 9 upon 13. And further simplifying, you will have 13 upon 48. So the correct answer here is option number D. So in question number 16, it says find the value of 2 into 0.25 cube plus 125 times 0.05 cube upon 0.75 square minus 0.25 times 0.5. So simplifying it, we will have 27 into, we are writing 0.25 as 1 upon 100. So 1 upon 100, 0.25 inside is inside cube. So 1 upon 100 is also going to be inside cube. So we will write it as 27 times of 25 upon 10 to the power 6, 6 times 0. And similarly, we are going to do with this also. It will be 125 times of 5 and upon 6 times 0 after followed by 1. So same could do with 0.75 and 0.25. So you will have 27 times 25 times 25 times 25 upon 1000 and 125 times 5 times 5 upon 1000 upon 75 times 75 minus 25 times 5 upon 10 upon 10. So which when simplified will yield 280 upon 8 times 45. So the correct option here will be option number A. So the answer is 1 and option is A. Let us now see problem number 17. If 1 upon 5 of 1 upon 4 of a number is 35, then how much is 7 upon 8 of that number? So let the number be x, and it is given that x of 1 upon 4 of 1 upon 5 is equal to 35. So x is equal to 35 into 20. So x is equal to 700, and we have to find how much is 7 upon 8 of that number, that means x. So x of 7 upon 8, that is 700 into 7 upon 8 is equal to 4900 upon 8, which is equal to 612.5. The correct option here will be option number A. Now moving to problem number 18. Find 1/5 of 3/8 of 1/3 of 11760. So according to question, 1 upon 5 of 3 upon 8 of 1 upon 3 of 11760. Okay. So it is going to be 294. The required answer is 294. The correct option is B. There are some boys and girls in a room. The square of the number of girls is 28 less than the square of the number of boys. If there were two more girls, the number of boys would have been the same as that of girls. Find the total number of boys and girls in the room. So let the number of boys be x and then let the number of girls be y. According to the question, x square minus y square is equal to 28. So x equal to y plus 2 and x minus y equal to 2. So x square minus y square equal to 28. So this can be written as x plus y times x minus y equal to 28. So x minus y is known to us, which is equal to 2. So x plus y is going to be 14. So total number of boys and girls in the room are 14, which is option number B. So now moving to problem number 20. The product of two numbers is 37. So we have two numbers and their product is 37. What is the square root of their difference? The square root of their difference is required. Since the 37 is a prime number, so there are no two other numbers which can yield 37 other than 1 and 37 itself. So 37 is equal to 1 into 37. Therefore, required square root of their number will be under root 37 minus 1, which is 36. So root of 36 is equal to 6. So the correct option here will be option number C. Now move to problem number 21. The sum of the squares of two numbers is 146 and the square root of one of them is root 5. Find the cube of other number. Let two numbers be x and y. So x square plus y square is given to be 146 and 25 plus y square is equal to 146 because it is given that square root of one of them is root 5. So it will be 125 plus y square equal to 146. So further simplifying, you will have y square equal to 146 minus 25. So y square is equal to 121 and y is equal to 11. So we are interested in the cube of that number. So the 4 cube with y cube is equal to 11 cube, that is equal to 1331. So the correct option here is option number C. The sum of positive integer and its square is 2450. Find the positive integer. So let positive integer be x. So x plus x square will be 2450. So x square plus x minus 2450 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. We have to solve it by using middle term split. So which will be x plus 50 times of x minus 49 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 49 and minus 50. So the positive integer, so minus 50 will be rejected. So the answer is x equal to 49. So the correct answer here will be option number C. So let us now see the last problem of this lecture. Find the pairs of natural numbers, the difference of whose square is 45. So let us suppose the numbers are x and y. The difference of the square of the number is 45. This information is already given to us in the question. So according to the information, it says x square minus y square is equal to 45. Now try to recall the identity a square minus b square is equal to a minus b times of a plus b. So using that we can write x plus y times of x minus y equal to 45. The possible factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. So it will be 1 times of 45 and 3 times of 15 which is 45 and 5 times of 9 that is 45. So the number of such pairs are 3. So the correct answer here will be option number B. So thank you very much. So this will be all for this lecture and try to do all the problems by your own and I'll see you in the next lecture with few more problems.